Namaskar, friends. Today we are going to discuss some the most important places in today's The Hindu. Today the date is 9th December 2021, and we are going to see what are some of the most important places which are covered in today's The Hindu, and we will discuss about them in detail. First, let's see what are some of the important places. So, first place is Germany. We have already covered this place in our previous videos. And second is United Kingdom. We have already covered this country also. And third one is Russia and Ukraine. We have already covered Russia and Ukraine in very much detail. So the fourth and the only country we are going to discuss today is USA. Let's first see what is the location of USA in the world. So if you see this map, you are uh, on the west side of North American continent. You will see it is Pacific Ocean, and on the east side it is North Atlantic Ocean. Now, uh, when I was teaching you about the Russia, then in that video I have told you that the Russia and USA are separated by a strait that is known as Bering Strait. What we are going to do in today's video, that we are going to cover first the circumference of the North America clockwise, starting from the Bering Strait, and first we will cover all the sea, all the important islands which are circumferring this North American continent, and after this we will mark some important places from the perspective of competitive exams. So let's first start with Bering Strait. This is Bering Strait, which is separating this Alaska region of USA, and here it is Russia. Actually, the Alaska region, it was purchased by USA from Russia way back in 1960s. So this is Bering Strait. Now, when you are going clockwise, this place is known as Beaufort Sea. This is known as Beaufort Sea. Beaufort Sea. When you move further, Beaufort Sea, you see some islands. A group of island is there, and first out of them is Banks Island. It is Banks Island, Banks, and next to Bank, it is Victoria. This is Victoria Island, and above Victoria Island, it is a group of island which is known as Queen Elizabeth Island. Queen Elizabeth Island. You can remember it this way, that the Queen Elizabeth has more power than Queen Victoria. So the Queen Elizabeth has more number of islands, and it is situated above the Victoria. So the first island, it is Bank. Second is Victoria. Above Victoria, it is Queen Elizabeth, and another group of island which is very much important is north to this Queen Elizabeth. It is known as Ellesmere Island. It is Ellesmere Island. So, and below Ellesmere, this group of island, it is known as Baffin Island. Baffin Island. So we have seen all the important islands of the North American continent, which are from clockwise: Banks, Victoria, Queen Elizabeth. Next to this is Ellesmere, and below Ellesmere it is Baffin Island. So there are some very important straits which are present in this area also. So I will mark those straits on the map for you. So first, between Ellesmere and this area is Greenland. This area is Greenland. So between Ellesmere and Greenland, this strait is known as Nares Strait. It is known as Nares. This is Nares Strait, and between Nares Strait and this Baffin Island, here it is Baffin Bay. So Baffin Island is situated near to the Baffin Bay, and when you move from this Baffin Bay to this Labrador Sea, here it is Labrador Sea. So when you are moving from Baffin Bay to Labrador Sea, this strait is Davis Strait. This is known as Davis Strait. Davis Strait. So you can remember it this way. If you are moving from Ellesmere Island, it is BDL. BDL, you will be knowing that BDL is very famous defense PSU of India. So you can remember it by an acronym by Baffin, Davis, and Labrador. Labrador is also a variety of dog. Also, you can remember it that way also. So it is Labrador. Then from Labrador, if you move south, here it is a very important sea. It is a part of North Atlantic Ocean also. It is known as Sargasso Sea. Sargasso Sea. Then Sargasso Sea. And this is Florida Strait. This is Florida Strait. Florida Strait. And next to Florida Strait, this bay. This bay. This is a very famous gulf. And this gulf is known as Gulf of Mexico. And when you are going south to the Gulf of Mexico, here you will see that there is a channel. It is known as Yucatan Channel. Yucatan Channel. And if you move southwards, here it is Panama Canal. Then Panama Canal. If you move northward from this, it is Gulf of California. This is Gulf of California. This is Gulf of California. And north to this, it is Gulf of Alaska. It is Gulf of Alaska. So once again, I am repeating it for you. First one is Bering Strait. This is Bering Strait. Now, when I am going from Bering Strait to Beaufort Sea, Beaufort Sea, next to Beaufort Sea is a group of island. Uh, Clockwise, these are Banks Island, Victoria Island. Above Victoria, it is Queen Elizabeth Island. Next to Queen Elizabeth is Ellesmere. Ellesmere, below Ellesmere, there is Baffin Island. Baffin Island. Baffin Island, if you move southward from Baffin Island, you will see this Davis Strait, this Labrador Sea, Sargasso Sea, Florida Strait, Yucatan Channel, Gulf of Mexico, Gulf of California, Gulf of Alaska. So these are some very important water bodies which are present around the North American continent. And if you move inwards, this bay, if you see, it is Hudson Bay. This is Hudson Bay. And this small bay which is present inside Hudson Bay, it is known as James Bay. James Bay. And the strait by which you will move from this Baffin Island towards this Hudson Bay, this strait is known as Hudson Strait. This is known as Hudson Strait. So these are some of the important water bodies which are present around the North American continent. So let's move to the political entries also. So here it is a very clear map of those islands which we have seen in the previous video. Now, if we look at the political entries of the North American continent, or let's say USA, so this is also a portion of USA, and this region is known as Alaska region. This region is known as Alaska region. Alaska region. It was bought by USA from Russia, as I have told earlier also. And let's move to the mainland of the USA. This is this is USA. This is USA, which I am marking it in yellow. So the most important places is San Francisco. In the San Francisco, you will see the Golden Gate Bridge and the Silicon Valley, the very famous Silicon Valley, where you would see the mainly the software industries and these big MNCs like Facebook and all these are situated in San Francisco. South to the San Francisco, we will find a place that is known as San Jose or San Jose. South to the San Jose, it is Los Angeles and San Diego, and inwards. to this Los Angeles, there you will see a very important place that is known as the Las Vegas. That is known as Las Vegas. So here it is a place that is known as Las Vegas. So these are some of the important entries which are situated on the westward side of the USA. And now I am coming to the eastward side. What are some important places on the eastward side? So if I am looking from north, the first place I encounter is Boston, second is New York, third is Philadelphia, and fourth is Washington. So Boston, New York, Philadelphia, and Washington. And if you see this area, it is known as Florida. So basically, there are 50 states in USA, and one out of them is Florida. So this peninsula is also known as Florida Peninsula, and this state is known as the state of Florida. There, a very important place known as Miami. Miami is also located here. Miami is basically uh, it is the satellite launching station of USA. So, what are some of the important places on the eastward side of the USA? It is Boston, New York, Philadelphia, Washington, and Miami. Miami. Here you would see some. Chicago is also situated here. I'll come to it a little bit later. So let's see what are the main water bodies, because there are some five great lakes which you would see here. So it is the first lake. It is known as Superior. This is Superior. Basically, Superior Lake is situated between USA and Canada, and this lake is known as Michigan. This is Michigan Lake, and the next lake which you are seeing on your screen is it is this lake is Huron, this lake is Erie, and the next lake is Ontario. So these are known as the five Great Lakes of USA. First out of them is Superior. It is situated between USA and Canada. Michigan is the only lake in these five Great Lakes which is situated only in USA. So first one is Superior, then Michigan, then Huron, then Erie, then Ontario. You can also remember it like Superman helps everyone. Superior, Michigan, Huron, Erie, and Ontario. So uh, this, if you are looking at these five Great Lakes, you will see some very important places of USA along these five lakes. First out of them is Chicago. Chicago is situated on the banks of this Michigan Lake. Detroit is also a very important place in the USA. It is very famous for automobiles. So these are some very important, you can say, lakes. There is also uh, a very famous mountain. This is also sorry. This is the boundary of USA, and here below it is Mexico. This is Mexico, and here it is. And now I will also mark some important rivers. Here at the boundary, you will see a river that is known as Rio Grande. But Rio Grande is just famous for that it makes a natural boundary between USA and Mexico. Now, what is the most important river? The most important river in the USA is Mississippi and Missouri rivers. So it is very famous. Mississippi and Missouri rivers are very famous. Here you will also see some rivers like Colorado, Snake, and Colorado. Colorado, you will remember by that there is a very famous Grand Canyon situated along the banks of Colorado rivers. So these are some important rivers and places. The more about USA we will discuss in our the dedicated video for the North American continent. So let's also see that what are some of the important Central American countries. We have also seen it in our previous video, but there was uh, actually the map was not that clear in that video. So let's see. The first place And the first country which you will see in uh, Central America, it is Belize City. Second one is Guatemala. Guatemala City. Belize. The capital is Belmopan. Its capital is Belmopan. Guatemala capital is Guatemala City. Next is El Salvador. El Salvador capital is San Salvador. Next country, if you're going to see, it is Honduras. Honduras, we have also seen in some other previous video also. So the capital of Honduras is Tegucigalpa. Tegucigalpa. Southwards to the Honduras, this country is Nicaragua. The capital is Managua itself. And the Costa Rica. Costa Rica's capital is San Jose. Remember, there is one San Jose in USA also, but this San Jose is different. And the last among these is Panama. The capital is Panama City. Here you will also see Panama Canal. Panama Canal. So that's all for today's video. Hmm. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.